Hi Ruchi,
Hi, hi.
are you audible?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So first of all, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत ही अच्छा. May I know the name that I'm talking to?
So my name is Pulkit.
Okay. Hi, Pulkit.
Hi. So
Uh, अच्छा लग रहा है. कल तो काफ़ी स्पीचलेस फीलिंग थी. It was very new. It was excited, happy, emotional at the same time. But now it is finally sinking in. So it's a good feeling.
and कैसी आपकी अभी तक जर्नी रही है? ऐसे मतलब तृप्ति वाली फील आई कि you finally completed the destination, completed the journey and reached the destination.
इट इज़ हाँ मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा रिलीफ है कि फाइनली ये साइकिल ओवर हो गया है एंड विद अ गुड आउटकम.
It's the exact outcome that you could have hoped for, right?
Yes, yes,
Probably
definitely.
does not get better than this.
It does not.
Okay. So can you tell us something about the strategy that you followed, something that you would recommend that what you followed and worked for you and maybe others could emulate that?
Firstly, I would like to thank Sleepy Classes because trust me, my sociology, Sleepy Classes videos have helped me so much. Like I just spoke to someone from your team also. I told them that I would write a detailed feedback about that video session. Uh, so it has helped me immensely in my sociology. Apart from that, uh, my strategy was very diverse, like prelims, mains, and interview at all three stages. It was different in different years. So this was my fifth attempt and first interview. I could not clear prelims in the initial three attempts. Then I cleared prelims in fourth and fifth attempt, and in fifth attempt I have finally cleared the last stage also. So my strategy was very diverse. But one thing that was very constant at all the three stages was practice.
Okay. Okay. And so what do you think you changed in your strategy from as compared to the first three attempts, considering that you couldn't clear the prelims those years?
Mhm. My strategy. So initially, when I gave my first attempt for prelims, it was a very knee-jerk decision to sit for the exam. Just sit at the exam and write the exam. I did not even have Lakshmi Kant then, so that is how unprepared I was in my first attempt. Second attempt, I did read the standard books, but I kept on mugging those books without knowing the actual way to study it or have a proper strategy with me.
Okay.
So evidently, I failed in prelims because of that. In the third attempt, I read all the books very nicely. I knew the strategy how to work. The missing piece was mock. I did
Okay.
not take enough mocks.
Okay.
So in fourth, I addressed all these mistakes, and then I got through prelims.
Okay, so something you would recommend to the future aspirants what not to do is not to do mocks, right? Like they must do mocks.
They must. There's no replacement at all of mocks. No replacement.
And what would you recommend for mains? Like how to go about preparing for mains?
Similarly, in mains also, mocks, that is, writing is very important. Initially, I did not clear my mains, first mains, because I did not practice enough. Again, that was the reason I did not learn from my mistakes, you can call that. So I did not write it enough. So yeah, it did not clear. But this time I made sure that every day I dedicate at least 1.5 hours to writing, where I write 10 questions daily and ensure that I keep that same momentum till my mains exam actual date is. So that also helped me a lot. I am yet to receive my marks, but I am guessing that helped me a lot.
And what about your strategy for sociology?
Oh, sociology, like I just said, there were two major books that I followed, which was The Orange Harlem Boys,
Right.
selected chapters from that book,
Okay.
and there was Nitin Sir's book, which I read it, which I used as a material, and lastly, Sleepy Classes. Oh my God, I'm genuinely very thankful for Sleepy Classes for sociology. Very thankful. I prepared my notes from sociology classes, the free available videos that you have on
Right.
YouTube.
Right.
I prepared from them. I wrote answers to some of the questions that I think Sir has mentioned on the videos as well.
Mhm.
So I wrote answers to those questions as well, and kept on revising those videos. Like revising videos also was so therapeutic for me because everything just flew in my mind when I was just listening to their videos. So they were very helpful, very helpful.
And some strategy that you can recommend for essay paper?
Essay was like first jot down various probable topics that you can think of. Like health is very repetitive, education is very repetitive. One philosophical essay is definitely that they ask women or any disadvantaged section of the society. This is something that you can prepare simultaneously with your GS papers because the material will overlap. The only thing that you need for essay is a good framework. So I prepared different frameworks for different topics, which is like health. I divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Similarly, education also. So these are how the frameworks that I created for myself. After that, a lot of examples in it, different perspectives, and lastly, practice again.
Okay, so it boils down to practice.
It does.
One important thing I would like to ask you is, how did you keep yourself motivated considering that you faltered at the prelim step in the first three attempts? A lot of students actually lose confidence that, maybe it's not for them, that they're not cut out for it, especially because in this COVID year, the exam has been postponed. There's a lot of uncertainty. So, how does one go about thinking and preparing for mains when you're so sort of unsure about prelims?
Yeah, so I also faced a lot of difficulties in picking myself up year to year. It has been a long journey of 5 years. But one thing that you need to ensure is that you have a good, solid support base. Be it your friends, be it your family, you have to have a support base who keeps on motivating you on a daily basis. Okay, you're made for a bigger cause. These are just tiny hurdles in your entire journey. It will make a good story in future. So just these are the tiny hurdles that you need to take as hurdles and majorly realize that there are some mistakes. That's the reason you faltered. So address those mistakes and then move forward. And
Okay.
regarding the uncertainty part of your question,
Yeah.
I think it is how you take it. I would suggest people. I know it's difficult to say from another perspective, but I would suggest that take it as an opportunity. Like you have least distractions of all right now. You don't have the pressure to go to your friends' birthday parties. You don't have to step out. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go to coaching centers. You just have to sit at home, use internet, wisely and prepare yourself. You will save so much of time if you prepare right now. Make a consolidated strategy of prelims and mains right now because this is the golden period. Forget all uncertainty that is there. It will take some effort to forget it, but do definitely try because this time can be used very productively.
Those are very, very encouraging words, Ruchi. I'm sure everyone who's listening to this will actually benefit a lot.
Thank you. Thank
Do
you.
you want to talk to sociology, sir?
Yeah, yeah,
I'll
please.
I'll
It
put
would be
him
my
online.
pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Ruchi. Congratulations.
Oh my God, it feels so nice to listen to your voice in right now.
All right, and
Your videos have helped me so much. Thank you so much.
oh yeah,
So much.
that
It has
thanks.
helped me a lot.
Thank you. And you looking at your face, like it's looking such a satisfied face. Finally home.
It is.
Yeah. So,
Yes, it
so,
is. It
so
is.
yeah. We just wanted to ask you how you're feeling, happiness and content, and how family members feeling about it.
Family was, they did not know how to express initially. They were just crying, happy tears. So, but now the feeling is finally sinking in.
Okay.
Everyone is settling down now. So it's finally sinking in. It's a very happy feeling. Very happy.
Yeah, it's important to tell future aspirants, that it could be done, and yes, I know you'll feel satisfied, happy when once you'll be there. Yeah, so it's such a good thing to share.
Yeah, it's all worth it. Everything is worth it if you make it here.
Yeah.
Everything.
So we're based out of Chandigarh. If you happen to be here in Chandigarh any day, any time, so drop into our office. We'll love to host you.
Definitely, definitely, sir.
Yeah. All right. And anything else you want to share with the aspirants?
This is it. I keep on saying this to everyone, but I know everyone has heard everything from all the toppers. I'm no different. Uh, but I think knowledge, consistency, hard work, and practice.
Okay.
These are the four things that work.
Okay. 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 Very briefly and very nicely put. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, Ruchi, and thanks for talking to us, and thanks for this awesome gesture. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll definitely write a review about the videos
that
soon. I
that'll be
will
like
send
really.
it to.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Where can I send it?
Yeah, on sleepy.classes@gmail.com.
All right. All right. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll send it
Yeah,
on
because
that.
it really helps keep the chain going because future
It
aspirants.
does.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's so necessary for people to know that this something like this exists, which you can access free of cost. Uh, it is a lot of effort that you put into the videos, so it has to reach to a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm so
If
glad.
I can help in that, I will definitely help.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and good luck. Like it's a new journey
Thank you.
starting today. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.